I have an older Marquis Spa. The display shows 188 constantly, and does not respond when any of the buttons are pushed. The pump occasionally runs at startup for a few minutes, but water doesn't heat and the display doesn't stay lit. Just replace the circuit board to remedy this problem, but it persists.
Hello, how can I help you today? The 188 error code indicates that the board is not communicating with the topside controller, which coincides with the other issues you're having as well. Since the board is new, it's going to either be a bad connector end on the cord from your topside controller or it could be corroded. The more common issue I run into with this problem is rodents chewing through the cord somewhere between the topside and the board, so you might want to thoroughly check every inch of that cord for any damage to it. If all of these things don't produce any results, you're down to replacing the topside controller, unfortunately. Just let me know if you have any questions and I'll be happy to help out any way I can. Thanks, Jeff.
Thank you. XXXXXXXXXX. Check the cord. It is all visible and in good shape. I have cleaned the terminals with electronic cleaner and a clean brush. The display still shows 188 and none of the controls work. Note, when I plug the main top controller directly into the receptacle, instead of into the 2-to-1 adapter, thus bypassing the remote topside controller, the display reads 11, then 70, then 00. None of the buttons work, however. Thoughts? Tonight the hot tub came on by itself. The display is working, the tub is heating, everything seems to be working. Not sure what happened, but I am my wife's hero. We'll see if it continues to work, but for now it seems to be okay without replacing the topside controller. May pick one up in case the issue reemerges. Blessings, Gary.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.